this way. Come this way. Don't get too close. Thank you, Marianne. Thank you. All right. Wonderful, wonderful. Happy birthday. Hey. Woo! That's Marlene. Hey, Marlene. Cookie lady. Woo! All right. I'll take those. All right. Woo! I love your fans. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Woo! All right. Hey. Oh. So glad we got you. Hey. Woo! Thank you, Amelia. Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you so much, you guys. Woo! Hey, good to see you. Hey. Woo! All right, happy birthday, Wanda. Yes. All right, look out. Woo! Hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey. Hey, Anna. Good to see you. Woo! All right. Uh-huh. All right, they're going around again. Yep. There's the lady that started it all for us, Marianne. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm supposed to be helping do that. Oh, boy. Okay. Okay. Oh, dear. I can't put that in there, so I'm no help at all. I'm just a videographer. I'm holding the cake. Thank you, Marianne. And Marianne, your mask and your glasses are just fantabulous, darling. Fantastic. Woo!
I sent one to my mother-in-law.
All right. Thank you, Marianne. Thank you. Bye. Woo! All right. Rachel, look out. Hey. Woo! All right. Yeah. Party. 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 Woo! Hey, Jean. Whoa. What are you doing here, girl? You're good. You're good. All right. Thank you. Hey, happy birthday, Wanda. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. My mask keeps falling off. I'm going to have to break down and wear a real mask. I wore yours the other day, and it's in the wash. So, huh? Oh, yes. So, did we get you?
Yes, that was a surprise.
We gotcha. Okay, let's film the stuff before I crank this down. You got flowers. You got a great sign that says "Celebrate Wanda." Happy birthday.
And balloons.
She got cake from the cookie lady. And they're having a party in the parking lot, sort of, but we're not. They're getting ready to take off.
I'm going to drive here.
All righty.
Park here.
Say again.
I'm going to park here.
Okay, you want me to hold something, or are you going to stuff those?
No, I'm going to drop.
Don't put them on here. Give me that, because the ants will find them quickly.
Okay, so I'm going to
Okay, I'm going to stop this now.
over there.
Alrighty.